Welcome to Cathy's Eclectic Garden. Today we're going to go back to where it all began. We'll be right back. Several years ago I became interested in photography and birding and nature photography. That led me into my love of plants, and especially native plants. I started out doing bird photography, and we traveled all over northwest Ohio taking pictures of birds, especially in our county. And that's where we're at today. We're at a new nature area in Montpelier, Ohio. It's called the Iron Horse Trail, and it's our first time visiting here, and it's in late fall, and it's a very nice day, almost hot actually, but we're in the shade, it's cool, and other than a few mosquitoes, it's been a nice visit so far. Just behind me, down a little ways, is the St. Joe River. It's pretty low right now. We haven't had much rain lately, so the water levels are down in the rivers, or in our area. But it's quite scenic anyway. While we were out birding, we were always in nature areas, woods, parks, and meadows. And seeing plants like this is what piqued my interest in native plants. So I started researching native plants, and that's when I fell in love with gardening, was when I found native plants. In the last 50 feet, we've seen cutleaf coneflowers. We saw a groundhog on a wood pile, and here we have tall white asters. This is our first time on this trail, and they're still under development. It's a new trail, it's just opened up, and this is a bridge here that's over an outlet from the St. Joe River, and it doesn't have much water in it right now because the river is so low, but it seems to be a nice little trail area, and we will be coming back here frequently, I'm sure. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. Until next time, bye-bye.